Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to dry your mop pads on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. The mop pads need to be dried to prevent mold, and it is done automatically after a cleaning task, depending on your settings, of course, but you can also do that manually. Enable it manually, so you can just go into the app, select dock, and then tap on dry, and it will start drying the mopping pads. As you can see, in my case, it says that the estimated finish is after 3 hours. In dock settings, though, you can change the duration to 2, 3, or 4 hours. And I'm gonna stop the drying.
Drying stopped.
And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.